Welcome to OL's The Rhyme Bible Storybook Read Aloud series. This story is adapted from the book of Exodus, chapters 2 to 15. Out of Egypt. Moses grew up in the house of the king. He lived in a palace with every good thing. But then one day, he made the king mad. So he ran far away and left what he had. Moses tended sheep until a certain day when he saw the burning bush that didn't burn away. He heard God speaking in a voice loud and clear. "Go down to Egypt and bring my people here." Moses went to Pharaoh, and this is what he said: "Let God's people go." But Pharaoh shook his head. "They all belong to me, and I won't let them go. Besides, I will not listen to a God I do not know." The Lord said to Moses, "Listen to my plan. When I'm through with Pharaoh, he will be a different man. I'll fill the land with locusts and pesky frogs and flies. But he still won't let them go, for he isn't very wise. So I'll send more plagues till the king agrees that the Israelites can go and do as they please." Pharaoh wasn't happy with all that God had planned. At last, he told the Israelites that they could leave his land. But just as they were leaving, Pharaoh changed his mind. He chased them with his soldiers, which wasn't very kind. God said, "Listen, you can trust in me." So he blazed a path through the waters of the sea. When the soldiers tried to follow, they fell into the sea. Then the people all shouted, "God has set us free!" The end. Thank you for watching. This is Out of Egypt from the Rhyme Bible Storybook.